What's up, guys? Welcome back to the main channel here. I know I haven't uploaded for a little bit. It's been a minute, but I'm gonna go try out this new breakfast combo platter thing at Jack in the Box. Don't know if it's new. I've never had it. Have coupons for it though. It looks pretty good. So we're gonna order it, and it's only like $2.99 plus tax, and see how it is. I do have a coupon book. It's in here, and then I also got coupons for Subway. Might go there another time, but yeah, right here, $2.99 jumbo breakfast platter. Don't know if they'll need the coupon or not, but these coupons are good to February 4th, and those Subway ones are good to February 18th. So it has. Well, I'll just tell you guys what it has when I get it. So. Hey, do you guys have the breakfast platter right now? Okay, can I get one of those?
Breakfast platter?
Yeah.
Should I have bacon or sauce?
Bacon's good. That's it. Thanks. Alright, so normal price, probably, it's $4.31, and so it's probably gonna save like, I don't know, $1-ish. So I'll show them the coupon, and they got other stuff in here too. I don't come here that often because it's greasy food, but thought I'd try it out for a video for you guys. Hey, I have a coupon. Yeah, right here. Do you need me to tear it out? Or? Right here.
That one?
Yeah, the $2.99.
1 second, I'm answering how to take the order.
Okay. Okay.
523 or 623 for you.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thanks a lot. Alrighty. Let's go see what this breakfast combo platter is all about. I haven't eaten since earlier, so I'm gonna park over here. It's parked in front of this or behind this semi truck. Here, I'll show you guys. Semi truck. Albertsons is over there. Alrighty. Got some napkins. Did he tear out the coupon? I do not think he did. Nope. Nope, it is still in there. Sweet. Got our syrup. Got a fork and a knife. Nice. And of course, breakfast platter. Alright. Okay. Let's take off the lid here. You guys can see. I can smell the pancakes already. Not bad. Looks pretty similar to the picture, I'd have to say. Expecting a little bit more food based on the, I mean, it is only three something, but because of the container size, I guess if you put it in a bigger container, it's going to look like less food, or vice versa. So you got the hash brown pancakes, bacon. I chose bacon over sausage, and then the eggs. So I don't have any ketchup, but let's do a taste test here, shall we? Let's put some syrup pancakes here. Here we go. I'll just use one for now. Don't want to overdo it. Alrighty. See how this tastes. Let's try the eggs first. Hot. Not bad. Not bad. Pretty good. Actually, I don't know. The for some reason sometimes syrup makes eggs taste better. Like, I don't know, maybe because I like the way that their syrup tastes or something. But here's the mini pancakes. Let's try one. Pretty good. I'm gonna put the other syrup on it because it really wasn't that much, honestly. Alright, now let's try a piece of bacon. Now this is thin bacon. I call it 3D printed bacon from a 3D printer. Maybe not this kind. Well, let's see. I'll give you guys my review. But I went to a hotel once, and their bacon was like really thin. I made a joke that it was from a 3D printer. This isn't bad. I like crispy bacon. I don't like when there's a bunch of fat on it, and there's no fat on this. It's great. And now, let's try the hash brown. I prefer ketchup, but very good. Wow. So overall, out of 1 to 10, Probably give this an 8, I'd say. Maybe even a 9, 8 or 9. Definitely not bad. Next time I order it, I'll get it with the sausage instead of bacon. Just try it. If it's a sausage patty or link or whatever. I've never had their breakfast at Jack in the Box. So. Let's say you're on a road trip and nothing else is around. I mean, it's probably usually a quick trip, right? A gas station or McDonald's, but Jack in the Box breakfast platter. I'm pretty sure McDonald's has a breakfast platter as well. Pretty good. Probably give it an 8 out of 10. You know, quality and quantity of food and all that, so not bad. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more videos like this, comment below, and I will see you guys in the next one.